हाँ जा रहे हो, टेंशन मत ले यार, जाने दो। हाँ जा रहे हो।
I think Mr. Bachchan, you need to share 2 words. They'll ask you the question, but I think you need to.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here, and for Ravi and Vivek and everyone in BR Films, Juhi and Aman. Thank you for giving me the honor of unveiling the look of Bhutnath today. As you must have realized, he looks a lot like me in real life as well. It's been a wonderful experience working with Vivek, this is his first directorial venture, and I would like you to look at his film with a lot of compassion and love and affection. Cookie and I go back to, when was it? 1975, okay. That's a long time ago. Many of you in the hall may not have been born as yet. But it's been a very long association, and every film that we've worked together, there's been a great spirit of camaraderie and well-being and happiness and joy. And the same has happened in this film as well. I hope you enjoy the film. It's a little different, and it's very special for me because of these 2 wonderful people standing next to me, Juhi and Aman, who has been with me. We don't have Shah Rukh here today, but he's here in a special appearance in the film, and I'm sure that you would all enjoy the experience. Another special word for Vivek. This is his first film, but I can tell you that after you see the product, you will never imagine that this is his first effort. Wish you all the best, Vivek, and thank you so much.
I must say I'm very happy to be here with the whole team. It's been such a joy making this film. I must say it's been really special because I got to even work with Amit ji, which I think after a long time we worked together in another film, but it was really special that he was essaying the role of Bhutnath, because I thought there couldn't be a better casting for this. It was really perfect that you were playing the part, and I was so happy and excited for Vivek and for myself that we could be working with you. Also, I would like to say about Mr. Ravi Chopra, BR Saab, that I have known the Chopra family for many, many years. I think when I just about entered the industry, Chopra Saab was going to give me the role of Draupadi and in Mahabharata. But it just so happened that I got chosen to play Rashmi in Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, and one of the conditions was that I shouldn't do television at the time. And I came to Chopra Saab, who at that time, I mean, he was giving me a break in such a big television serial. And I was so honored, but I had to, apologize and draw back. But he was so wonderful towards me. After that, somehow I never got a chance to work with them. I kept meeting them, visiting them, hoping somewhere there would be a break. And then after many years, I've now worked with them in Bhutnath, and it's been so, so wonderful. It's a lovely film. You will enjoy it when you see it. You will laugh, and at the end, I'm sure you will be crying.
I find him to be a very, very intelligent director. He's a good boy, and he's done a very good job with the film. I'm very happy with the film.
इसकी खासियत रहती है कि वो रिश्तों को लेकर मोस्ट ऑफ फिल्में बनाते हैं, तो क्या वजह थी कि भूतनाथ
इसमें भी आपको रिश्ते दिखेंगे. You'll see the रिश्ते, you'll see the family values, you'll see everything. He's there in the beginning and he's there in the end, the whole end.
म्यूजिक की बात करते हैं तो किस तरह का म्यूजिक नहीं, भूतनाथ की तरह हॉरर वगैरह तो म्यूजिक नहीं होता.
नहीं बिल्कुल, like this picture not a horror picture. This is basically a very, very fun film, and you're really going to enjoy this.
लोग होली स्पिरिट हॉस्पिटल में शूट कर रहे थे, तो जब वो मेकअप वेकअप कर रहे हैं अपने मेकअप वैन में गए हुए, तो सारे उनके फैंस और बच्चे सब मेकअप वैन के बाहर वेट कर रहे थे. जैसे ही बच्चन साहब उतरे भूत के गेटअप में, सब लोग 2 कदम पीछे हट गए, और बच्चन साहब ने पूरे दिन भर उस दिन सब बच्चों को डराते रहे, जूही माँ को डराते रहे. तो यूज्ड टू हैव फन अ लॉट ड्यूरिंग द शूट.